Engine oil and filter renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever twice. Fully raise the bonnet. Access to the underside of the vehicle will be greatly improved if it can be raised on a lift, driven onto ramps, or jacked up and supported on axle stands. Whichever method is chosen, make sure the vehicle remains level. If it is at an angle, make sure that the drain plug is at the lowest point. The drain plug is located at the rear of the sump. Rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Working underneath the vehicle, rotate the fasteners anti-clockwise and open the service flap in the engine under tray for access to the engine sump drain plug. Position a suitable container under the engine sump drain plug. Slacken and remove the engine sump drain plug. Allow the oil to drain into the container. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening, fit a new sealing washer and screw in the drain plug. Tighten the plug using a torque wrench. Open the service flap beneath the oil filter at the front of the engine. Reposition the container under the oil filter cap, then unscrew the central drain screw from the cap. Allow the oil to drain. We've removed the engine under tray for clarity here, but it's not necessary. Using a suitable 32mm socket, unscrew the oil filter cap and remove it along with the filter element. Be prepared for oil spillage. Pull the old filter element from the cap and remove the O-ring seal. Wipe clean the filter cap. Using a long, thin screwdriver, check that the oil non-return valve is free to move. Genuine mini filter kits are supplied with a new O-ring for the cap and a new drain screw. Lubricate the new drain screw seal with a little clean engine oil, then fit the screw to the cap and tighten it to the specified torque. Fit the new seal to the cap and lubricate it as well. Clip the new filter element into the cap. Remove the oil drain container from beneath the vehicle. Refit the cap to the housing and tighten it to the specified torque. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct quantity and specification of oil to the engine. Securely refit the filler cap. These engines are not equipped with a traditional oil level dipstick. Instead, the level is measured electronically while the engine is running. With the engine at normal operating temperature, on the control display, select Vehicle Info, Vehicle Status, measure engine oil level, and start measurement. It will take approximately 1 minute for the engine oil level to be measured and displayed. If the Add Oil signal is displayed, stop the engine, unscrew the oil filler cap, and add a maximum of 1 litre of oil. Add the oil slowly and recheck the level. Firmly close the bonnet.